Oh no, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Don't worry.
Okay, here are your options. It happens, that's awesome, and I have no idea. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go.
Hey everyone, today is quiz time.
That's right. We picked some phrases you learned before, and we're going to test you. 10 questions.
You'll see a sentence with a missing word and you pick the right answer.
And guys, at the end, write in the comments how many out of 10 did you get right.
Let's see who gets them all. Ready?
Let's go! I just won 2 tickets to the concert!
That's amazing.
Okay, here are your options. No problem, no way, and not yet. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is no way.
Yes! No way! You know this one, Jack. When someone tells you something and you just can't believe it, you say, "No way!"
Exactly, Sarah. Like if someone says, I met a famous actor today, you go, no way, really?
Right! It's not negative. It's like you're shocked, but in a fun way.
Yeah, and people use it all the time. You'll hear it everywhere, guys.
So next time something surprises you, just say, "No way!"
All right, now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us.
Don't be shy. Say it out loud. I just won 2 tickets to the concert.
No way! That's amazing!
Nice. Let's move on to the next one. Oh no, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Don't worry.
Okay, here are your options. It happens, that's awesome, and I have no idea. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is, it happens.
It happens. This is a nice one, right, Sarah?
Yeah, when something goes wrong, but it's not a big deal, you say, it happens. It's like saying, don't feel bad. It's normal.
Exactly. Like if your friend drops their phone and feels bad about it, you say, hey, it happens. Don't worry.
And it makes the other person feel better. You're telling them it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Right, guys. It's a very kind and common thing to say.
Your turn. Say the lines with us. Oh no, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Don't worry, it happens. Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
Hey, you look upset.
Nothing serious. I just had a bad day. Okay, here are your options. What's new? What's going on? And see you later. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is, what's going on?
What's going on? We use this one a lot, right, Jack?
Oh yeah, all the time. When you see someone and something looks different or wrong, you ask, what's going on?
It's like saying, tell me what's happening. You want to understand the situation.
And it's not always about problems. You can also say it when you walk into a room and people are laughing. Like, hey, what's going on? Why is everyone laughing?
Exactly. It's a very natural way to ask about a situation, guys. Okay, now listen and repeat with us. Hey, you look upset. What's going on?
Nothing serious. I just had a bad day. Great. Ready for the next one?
Let's leave now. We're late.
I can't find my keys. Okay, here are your options. Wait a minute, never mind, and that's right. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Sarah, I think I say this to you every morning.
Ha, that's true. You always need one more minute.
Well, that's exactly what it means, right? You need a little more time, so you say, wait a minute.
Yeah, and sometimes it's not even about time. Like if someone says something strange, you go, wait a minute, that doesn't sound right.
Good point, Sarah. So it can mean, stop, let me think, too. You'll hear this one everywhere, guys. Now try to say it with us. Let's go.
Let's leave now. We're late.
Wait a minute. I can't find my keys.
Nice. Let's move on to the next one. When do you need this report?
The meeting is tomorrow morning.
Okay, here are your options. As soon as possible, maybe next time, and I don't mind. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is as soon as possible.
As soon as possible, Sarah. This one sounds serious, right?
A little bit. When something is urgent and you need it fast, you say as soon as possible.
Yeah, like your boss says, send me the file as soon as possible. It means right now, don't wait.
But it's not always about work. You can use it with friends too. Like, let's meet as soon as possible. I miss you.
That's right. And guys, you'll also see it written as ASAP. Same thing, just shorter. Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear.
When do you need this report?
As soon as possible. The meeting is tomorrow morning.
Great. Ready for the next one? I love this song so much.
It's my favorite too.
Okay, here are your options. Not yet, same here, and I hope so. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is same here. Same here. Jack, I feel like we say this to each other all the time.
That's true. When someone says something and you feel the same way, you just say, same here.
Right. It's a short and easy way to say, me too, or I feel the same.
Like if I say, I'm so tired today, and you feel tired too, you can just say, same here.
Exactly. It's super natural, guys. You'll hear it in conversations all the time.
All right, now listen and repeat with us.
Come on, you can do it. I love this song so much.
Same here. It's my favorite too.
Awesome! Next one, guys. Can you help me move to my new apartment on Saturday?
Just tell me what time.
Okay, here are your options. Same here, for sure, and not yet. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go! The answer is for sure. For sure, Jack. You say this one all the time.
I do, because it's so easy. When someone asks you something and you want to say, yes, definitely, you just say, for sure.
Right. It's stronger than just yes. It's like, of course, no question about it.
Like if someone says, are you coming to the party? For sure. It means I'm definitely coming.
And it sounds friendly and confident, right, guys? Very natural in everyday English. Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us.
Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
Can you help me move to my new apartment on Saturday?
For sure. Just tell me what time. Well done. Let's keep going, guys.
Hey, how was your weekend?
Nothing new, really.
Okay, here are your options. For sure, that's awesome, and same old, same old. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is same old, same old.
Same old, Sarah. I think a lot of people feel this way sometimes.
True. When nothing changes and everything is the same as before, you say same old, same old.
Yeah, like someone asks, how's work? And you say, same old, same old. It means nothing new, nothing different.
And it's not really negative. It's just normal. Like, life is calm, nothing exciting happened.
Right. It's a very casual and common expression, guys. You'll hear it a lot. Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us.
Come on, you can do it. Hey, how was your weekend?
Same old, same old. Nothing new, really. Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
I got the job. I start next week.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Okay, here are your options. Not yet, thanks, and for real. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go. The answer is for real. For real. This one is fun, right, Jack?
Yeah. When someone tells you something surprising and you want to make sure it's true, you say, for real?
Exactly. It's like asking, are you serious? Is that really true?
Like if I say, I saw a bear in the park, you'd go, for real? Because it's hard to believe.
And it's very casual, guys. You use it with friends, not in a business meeting.
Right. It's similar to no way, but with for real, you're really asking if it's true. Your turn. Say the lines with us.
I got the job. I start next week.
For real? That's amazing. Congratulations.
Great. Ready for the last one? The kitchen is a mess. Can you clean it?
Give me 5 minutes.
Okay, here are your options. Right away, no idea, and that's it. What do you think? You have 10 seconds. Go! The answer is right away. Right away, Jack? This one is so useful.
It really is. When someone asks you to do something and you want to say, I'll do it now, immediately, you say, right away.
Yeah, like at a restaurant. You ask for water and the waiter says, right away, sir. It means it's coming now, no waiting.
Or your boss says, can you fix this? And you say, right away. It shows you're fast and ready.
Exactly. It sounds professional, but you can use it with friends too, guys. Very common.
Now try to say it with us. Let's go.
The kitchen is a mess. Can you clean it?
Right away. Give me 5 minutes. Amazing job, everyone! That was all 10 questions.
So, how did you do? We really want to know.
Go to the comments and tell us how many out of 10 did you get right.
And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.